Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA.
Today, I'm gonna go to Sandro and Maje and try on some clothes matching with this bag from 22C from Chanel. This is the outfit of the day. Jogger pants from Zara and cardigan from Sandro. This outfit goes well with this bag. Let's start from Sandro. I love this jacquard wool sweater. Love the blue floral pattern on ivory. This will go well with any jean or like black pants, even skirt. Love the cute patches on this sweater. The color is vert almond, which is kind of season color of like everywhere or the brand. I see a lot of this green color. The material is mohair. I love the toned down green color. This is not as a set, you need to buy separate. You can buy cardigan and the wool top. You can buy as a set and there are another colors as well. Love the blue and white, the contrasting colors. I love the feminine style color. Love the embroidery on the sleeve. This reminds me of some Chanel collection which is 21K because I tried this in Chanel and it looks pretty much similar. I like it. Love this kind of purple color, lilac color sweatshirt. This is casual but because of the color, it has some feminine vibe. I love it. This came out as a set, but you need to buy separate. I love the cardigan. It's a crop cardigan, a little bit short, but you can match with any jean. I love this button. And the skirt is so comfortable. I wear size 1 and it's not small. It's really snug fit. It's so pretty as a set. This short tweed dress is so feminine, but comfortable. It's pretty much a snug fit, so go for smaller size. Now let's move on to Maje. This long knit dress is so comfortable and kind of snug fit, so go for small size. It's very silky, smooth, very comfortable, but feminine. I love the bow pattern on jacquard dress and the color is so pretty. It's like velvet. I love this button detail as well. This sweater, the color is like ice cream. I love the pastel tone color combination. On homepage, there's other color combination as well, so check it out. This tweed style jacket is much better in rear. When I was checking on the homepage, I thought the banding on the waist is loose, but it's not. I love the black trimming on the collar and the pocket. This tweed style sleeveless jacket is so pretty, but I didn't have any other size. Size 40 was too big for me, but it's snug fit, so go for the small size. Love the contrasting black and white trimming. And there's a hood. Love this khaki color. This jacket is so light and warm. You can close the neck part and wear like a model in the photo. This is casual but very stylish. I love it. So I got this pullover sweater from Sandro. After I try everything, this is the one I really wanted. I'll talk about this sweater quickly and then there will be surprising Chanel unboxing. One of the SLG I got. I just got delivered actually. So this pullover sweater, the price was $295 and it's like a blue color, like blue floral pattern on the ivory sweater. Yeah, I really loved it. I can match with anything like jean or skirt. The material of this sweater is 90% wool and 10% cashmere. So when I try it on, it's not too heavy and pretty much light, but it's really warm. And I love the pattern, the floral pattern, but not too much feminine. So let me start the small leather goods from Chanel 22C Cruise collection. So I was waiting for this. It's so pretty.
So this one, so I never had this. This is really basic small leather goods. As you can see, it's not like bag, mini bag. This is so pretty. The color is like beyond the expectation, I would say. I really loved it. So it's a wallet actually, small wallet. The color is pink. It's a kind of light pink, but not too light. Almost pastel tone, but like a strawberry milk, that kind of feeling. So it's a classic wallet, small size. Yeah, I'll show you. So pretty, right? Yeah, it's a shiny gold tone hardware. I really wanted a caviar, like classic small wallet from Chanel for a long time. I couldn't get even black one. To be honest, I was trying like for a few seasons, but I couldn't get it. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slot, and here there's an authentication card. This is 31, starting from 31. You know, all the small leather goods still have authentication card instead of the microchip because it's too small to put the chip. Yeah, I guess. It's interesting. This side you can open, put like something like photo you can put here, and here still. Yeah, so this is made of caviar. I heard there is shiny caviar and kind of matte caviar. I would say this is matte caviar. A little bit of sheen you can see, but it's like pretty much a matte caviar. So the price of this wallet, 22C Cruise Collection, classic small flat wallet with gold tone hardware, and the price is $900 US dollar. Yeah, it's really good price and it fits a lot, so I love it. And I'm gonna show you quickly whether this is gonna fit in my new season bag from 22C. I think this season, the cruise season, they brought a lot of caviar for small leather goods and mini flat bag, seasonal bags, so I love it. So let's see if this fits here. So let me open. As you can see, it has a more flexible capacity. So this one really fit well. Wow, perfectly fit. So since I got this classic small flap, I'm gonna compare quickly with last year I got this Boy Classic card order. This one is from 30, starting from 30, and this one starting from 31, which is current season. See the pink color? I think Chanel make really pink color so pretty. Every season they bring different kind of shade of pink color. One is like Barbie pink, the other one is like strawberry milk pink. I love both. Which one is your favorite?